Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today what I want to show you guys is how to set up a default operation. What I mean by that is, let's say we want to always, anytime we do a profile operation, we want some certain parameters already turned on for us. So what we can do is, let's just go to our technology, and every time, let's say I do a profile, I always want to have compensation turned on, and I always want to do one roughing pass and one finishing pass. And let's say for my link, I want to do an arc in and a normal off. So right there, just set up whatever you need in there that you would like to see in there as your default, and we can save that out as a template. So we can just say profile, profile default. We'll hit OK. And now what we can do is we can exit out of the operation, and we can go to our settings. And in our settings, we'll have a template area right here for you. And just hit the checkbox for profile, and you'll see that I think I actually created this one right here. So profile default right here, and we can hit OK. So now anytime I add a new profile operation, all those parameters will already be set. So we got finishing turned on, we got roughing turned on, we have compensation turned on. Under our link, we have an arc in and a normal off, and you can see that it's loading from my my default templates right here. So that's how you guys can kind of set it up, and you guys can also save that in your global settings as well. So if you guys go to your global settings, and we're going to go to the same location, so we'll go to templates, and we can turn it on for profile and put it right in there. And I can't do it just because I have a part open right now, but that's where you can turn it on. So every single new operation or part that you create going forward will have that on there. Or if you just want to keep it contained just to this local part only, you can do it right here in your local settings. So just want to show you guys how to change up those default operations to customize them more to your liking, and how that's done. So thanks guys. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.